What's up guys, I'm Austin, and in this video, we'll be going over the Twitch channel trailer feature that was added for affiliates. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, comment down below with any questions, and I'll make sure to get back to you as soon as possible. So Twitch has recently added a feature for affiliates, and that is the channel trailer, which is a short 1-minute video that will greet viewers when they visit your channel. Since this trailer is going to be creating a first impression for your channel, it's extremely important to create something that's both professional and captures the viewer's attention. Here's my channel trailer so you can see an example of what I'm talking about. What's up guys, I'm Agrostin Gaming, and I mainly play first-person shooters and action-adventure games. Here's what you can expect when watching my channel.
Oh god. No fucking way. That helped you.
Get fucked.
Also, right here. I'm right here.
Yeah, they're trying.
There's a guy like running at us. I'm gonna try to run him over.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Or that's gonna happen. Someone coming in, I think. Got him, team wipe.
Holy shit. Let's go. Fucking revive me. Ah!
So after watching a lot of different successful streamers' trailers and working on my own, I've come up with a list of things that you should include in your trailer. The first thing is you're going to want to take a few moments to introduce yourself and your channel, and also make sure to include a call to action by telling your viewers to follow or subscribe to your channel. Also, make sure you don't take too much time on the intro since you only do have 1 minute for the entire video. After your introduction, you should also show the viewer some highlights or some funny moments from your past streams so that they know what to expect when watching your channel, and they can also see a little bit of your personality so they know what they're getting themselves into when they're watching your content. After these highlights, you should then have some type of outro, whether that be commentary or an animation that you have. It's really up to you, but you should have some type of outro just to make things look clean and professional. So the only thing you really want to avoid when making this trailer is just throwing together a montage of clips that you have, highlights and stuff, because that's number one, going to look unprofessional, and two, it's not going to get a point across to your viewer. It's just going to show them, hey, here's some highlights. You want to have something that portrays your personality to the viewer, because people aren't watching you on Twitch for your gameplay unless you're Shroud. They're watching you for your personality, they're watching you because of you. So you need to make sure that you're having that introduction, that call to action, and some type of outro, because your personality is what's going to bring that viewer back to watch you again and again. If you follow these 3 simple steps, then you'll have a professional looking channel trailer that will help make a great first impression on your viewers. I hope you all found this video helpful and have continued success with your stream. If you have any questions, then make sure to comment down below, or you can drop by my Twitch. I'm live every Sunday, Monday, and Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.